I'm Eric Norgrant with America's Home Place in Alvin, Texas. I'm a project manager, and I want to tell you today about one of my favorite floor plans that we've recently built. The name of the floor plan is your Blue Ridge Modern Farmhouse. It's a little bit different than your typical Texas home because a typical Texas home, you've got brick, square, not a lot of windows. This home has high gable on the very front with lots of windows and lots of natural light. Due to that being the case, you've got a very large, great room that has a huge lofted ceiling. It's awesome in my opinion. It gives you the feel of being in the mountains and not in rural Texas. Another feature I really appreciate about this floor plan is the loft that comes with that, because you can be upstairs and still see your family in the great room. It also provides lots of storage, lots of bedrooms, lots of kitchen space. Overall, a great house for families. Again, I'm Eric Norgrant, project manager for America's Home Place in Alvin.